Today, we'll be talking about sentiment analysis using machine learning. We'll build a model that can classify text as either positive or negative. Specifically, we'll be using the Sentiment 140 dataset, which contains tweets labeled with sentiments. Now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out of the way, let's hop right into it. So first, we need to import the necessary libraries for our project. We'll be using the pandas for data manipulation, TF-IDF vectorizer for feature extraction, train test split for splitting the dataset, LinearSVC for model training, and classification report for model evaluation. Right, let's wait until that loads. Alright, next we're going to load our dataset. So an easy way to do this in Google Colab is just type in this code right here. Oh, there we go. So this will prompt a little box icon where you can choose your dataset. If you're on the desktop version of Jupyter Notebook, you can just drag the CSV file or the dataset into your project's directory and then call it from there. The dataset for this project will be linked down below. It's from Kaggle, it's Sentiment 140, you can look it up too, or you could just go in the description and download it from Kaggle. Alright, now we have to actually load the dataset into a pandas data frame. Alright, and since the dataset is fairly large, I'll be back when it's completely uploaded because it will take a while. Alright, so now that that's done uploading, we could go ahead and run our dataset that we've loaded into a pandas data frame. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is process or pre-process the dataset to make it more manageable. Since it's such a large dataset, we'll just select a subset of the dataset to work with. In this case, specifically 100,000 tweets. Alright, next we need to convert the sentiment labels from numeric values, which are 0 for negative and 4 for positive, to more meaningful labels. Start a new one here. Right. And next, we're going to split our dataset into features X and the target variable Y. That equals. Alright, now we'll perform feature extraction using the TF-IDF vectorizer, which will convert our text data into numerical features. Alright, and now it's time to split our data into training and testing sets. This allows us to evaluate the performance of our model on unseen data. I'm sure what's bugging out. Right, And now we'll train our model using the LinearSVC algorithm, which is a linear support vector classifier. Alright, so now here is the exciting part. We'll evaluate our model's performance using the testing set and generate a classification report. Negative and positive. Right? It's good. So there we go. We've successfully built a sentiment analysis model that can classify text as either positive or negative. By using machine learning and the powerful linear SVC algorithm, we can analyze the sentiment of tweets or any other text data. If you guys found this video helpful or enjoyed, drop a like down below, subscribe for more, and drop a comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.